Okay, we have our Hurco Vertical Machining Center, model VM2, serial number VM206006094AEA. Machine was new in 2005. We're going to run it for you. Machine has a max Hurco control, which is conversational in G code. It has a 16 tool automatic tool changer side mount, 8,000 RPM Cat 40 spindle, 46 by 18 inch table T-slotted with 40 inches of X travel, 18 of Y and 18 of Z. That's 2,000 RPM. Again, it does go up to 8,000 RPM. 3,500 RPM. 5,000 RPM. 65. Okay. All right. I'm going to simulate a tool change. Okay, again, it's a 16 tool automatic tool changer side mount. It's looking for a tool. All right, I'm going to run the axes. It's the X. Again, you have telescopic weight covers. Y. And Z. All right. Hey, thank you for watching our video.